Hi, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of Suttle Subjects. I'm Ryan Mink, CPA with Suttle and Stalnaker, and I'm going to be kicking off a series on cryptocurrency and digital assets. So, before we get too far into the conversation, let me just start by saying the regulations within cryptocurrency and digital assets is still in development. There have been some recent headway made, but nothing concrete yet. So anything that I say may only be relevant as of the time of this video, as things continue to develop. So take the guidance as you find it. Also, note that what I say is should not be construed as financial advice or tax advice. So make sure you always check with your tax preparer before utilizing any guidance that I provide within this video. With that said, let's jump right in. So a while back, I had a client come to my office who told me they were mining Ethereum to the tune of about $1,400 a day, which, yes, if you run the math, is like a $500,000 plus pace. So I quickly told him, yes, we need to talk. You're gonna have to pay some taxes. And what is mining Ethereum, and how do you do that, and how do I learn how to do that? And so that was one of many conversations we've had since then, and also the beginning of a passion of mine, a rabbit hole that I jumped down. So, as any good professional would do, I took that initial meeting and the fact that I had a client, working within this space as a challenge to jump in and learn, right? I have a client that's doing this. I need to learn what I can to serve him as well as I can. So I quickly took, $50 and jumped onto Coinbase. And that was the beginning of my journey. Uh, It's a deep passion of mine, and my wife would say I'm probably a little obsessed. So I read a lot of articles, I listen to podcasts, I'm on part of Discord groups that discuss cryptocurrency. I'm meeting with people within the space and attorneys that specialize in this. I got an AI CPA certification in blockchain technology to try to best serve my client and also to continue to learn and develop my expertise in this space because, in my opinion, it's going to change the way our financial lives operate. So, I personally have two Bitcoin miners running in my basement. I have a few centralized exchange accounts. I have several NFTs and about 20 different decentralized wallets that I manage all of my crypto activity in. And as I worked through, setting up my own account structures, and as I learned and dug around, I quickly realized that there's a need in this space for tax expertise and for educational content around terminology and technology and explanations about how this works and really discussing it in the way that most people can understand. And so that's why I created this vlog. So what I need from you is before our next episode, if you can begin sending me questions you have about digital assets, about cryptocurrency, about NFTs, things that you want to know or questions you have about your situation. I'd love to hear from you. You can shoot me an email or mink@suttlecpas.com or give me a call, 304-554-3371, and let me know what questions you have that I can answer as part of this crypto series. Once again, my name is Ryan Mink. I'm a CPA with Suttle Stalnaker, and thank you for watching this episode of Suttle Subjects.